that lights the fires. Got a rhythm in my bones, and it's taking me higher. Jumping.
So we just did Weta Workshop near Wellington. There's also one near Auckland. It's really cool. You go inside, you see all the prosthetics and all the props, swords, costumes, etc. That they make for a lot of movies. Lord of the Rings, of course, but a lot of other ones as well. And you can even see an artist at work, like a miniature artist, you know, really passionate about what they do. So definitely cool to check out. The whole thing takes about 90 minutes and it's a fun little activity. So if you want to have some good coffee in Wellington, check out this place behind me. It's called Hangar Cafe. It's the first time I've seen a coffee place basically offer like a flight of coffees. So I did that. You basically get the espresso, you get the flat white, and you get a cold brew presented to you as though, you know, you would do with beers. They also have really good breakfast options there. Try the lamb benedict. They also have really good corn ribs, for instance.
To get good views from the city, take the cable car.
There were these huge men that were 2.4, 2.5, something like that, 2.5 times the scale of humans. They handpicked every hair and put it into the face. And they put silicone for the sweat.